Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. It's Choolicious right here. Today we are going to do a massive unboxing video with Gucci and Disney collaborations collection. After we study about the collection on the website, so now we are ready to hit the Gucci store. Yay! What you're seeing right now is the Mickey Mouse 3D mold plastic bag. Guess what? How much this bag costs? $4,500. Wow! I want it, but I can't afford it. For that clothing collection is ranging from hoodie, cashmere, silkwear, pajamas, and of course, this is signature piece. It's the track suit with Mickey Mouse printed. Oh my God, it's so cute. I don't know how much it costs. I want them. Oh, someone please stop me. Oh my God, it's gonna cost me a lot of money. And look at that t-shirt, pink. Oh, wow. So after I spent 3 hours at the Gucci store, now I'm ready to show you guys what I got from the Gucci store. First item, I got a Gucci and Disney bifold wallet. My second purchase is the Mickey Mouse card case wallet with a small zipper compartment. And the third wallet I got is called Zip Around Wallet, or a long wallet with a whole bunch of card compartment. And the fourth item is the most excited item that I really excited about is the bucket bag. And the fifth item is this Mickey small backpack. I chose this backpack over the last one because I will have more use to it. And the sixth item that I got from the Gucci Disney collection is the chain backpack. I think I will use this chain backpack for festival or Coachella because it's so cute. Seven is the Mickey Grab watch in silver color. Actually, I bought two of them. I bought the silver one and the gold one as well. But the gold one is on back order, so it should arrive at the end of this month. So this one is super cute. Is to have Mickey Mouse printed on it. The eighth item is the Mickey baseball cap. I have a big head, so I wear a large, and I should wear it all over summer this year. Number 9, the round shoulder bag. I think I can use a lot of this bag a lot for, roaming around. It should be fine. And number 10, the Mickey silk neck bow. I think I'm gonna use these to wrap around the bag that I bought. It should be cute. Number 11, the Mickey swimsuit. Actually, I bought this swimsuit to use it as bodysuit where it's underneath the skinny jean. Number 12, the Mickey slip-on shoes. Actually, this shoe is for men, so I wear 5.5 in men. Number 13, the Mickey Rhyton sneaker. I think this is the key piece. If you're gonna buy something for this collection, I think you should get the bucket bag and this Rhyton sneaker. This sneaker run a little large, half a size larger than normal. Number 14 is the Mickey 8 sneaker. This sneaker run a half size larger than normal, so make sure you just size half a size down. This is another key piece from this collection is the track jacket. It's only come in men's size, so make sure about the sizings. I usually wear a women's size small, and I chose extra small in this oversized track jacket. The last item that I got from Mickey collection is the shawl. It's really comfortable. I think it's made from cotton, so you can wear it in the summer. So that's it for our 16 item from Gucci and Disney collection. Don't forget to subscribe.